Sean Evans here from Top 10 Real Estate Deals, and normally we come to you with just the one property video to show you around. Well, not today. We have a whole village up for sale instead. It appears that Johnny Depp is ready to put his French village estate back on the market for $55.5 million. When the village was last on the market in 2015 and then again in 2016, it didn't sell, but third time's a charm. This village includes a main house, 6 guest houses, a private restaurant, covered wagon with bath and kitchen, and an art studio. In total, the living space is 12,900 square feet with 15 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. Depp has spent $10 million in preserving the stone and wood beam structures and the grounds, including 2 swimming pools, a gym, a wine cave, and a skate park. Not one to shy away from owning unusual properties, Johnny Depp also owns a collection of penthouses in Los Angeles and a 45-acre private island in the Bahamas. So rather than just one home, why not buy a whole village just 17 miles away from the celebrity hotspot of Saint-Tropez? Very, very nice. I've been Sean Evans, you've been watching Top 10 Real Estate Deals, and stay tuned for every single Monday as we'll be bringing celebrity properties right to this channel. Goodbye!